Hey, Judah. Hey. What are you doing? You looking at me? Ow. What are you doing? Huh? Oh. Oh. What is up, Jam Fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today, me and Judah, we are out and about. We are at the car wash. I needed to vacuum out my car real quick because it is dirty and I do not like being in a dirty car. Okay, so Judah's in the back right now. The thing is, as I was putting him in his car seat before we got to the car wash, this boy, he gonna sit there and take the biggest dump ever in my face. So now he has a poopy diaper and I have to change his diaper whenever we get to a different car wash because I just realized I don't even have money to put in the machine. Well, I have money, I have a $5 bill, but it only takes $1 to vacuum out my car. So if I put a 5 in, I'll get 5 tokens back and I only just need 1. What would I do with the other 4 tokens? Like, wasted tokens. I mean, I could save it for next time, but no, I'm not about to waste my $4. Not right now. I don't need it now, so I'm not about to get it. But yeah, Judah's in the back. He's kind of fussy. I'm about to put his pacifier in his mouth so that he can stop yelling. Jude, I'm coming. Okay. He just started crying, y'all. Don't think I'm a bad mom and I just let him cry the whole time. He literally just started crying. Y'all look at him. He fine. Hi. Okay. No. Okay. We're gonna change your diaper, okay? Here you go. Here you go. There you go. Big boy. He smells so bad. But y'all, we're about to stop by some place and get some change, and then we're gonna come back to the closest. We're gonna go to one of the closest car washes near us so that we can vacuum out the car. What the heck? What else was I gonna say? I feel like we should have came out earlier because it's kind of cloudy out here and it was drizzling, so if it starts raining on us, I'm gonna be really disappointed. That's why I need to stop talking and go ahead and do what I need to do, because if it starts raining, I'm gonna be in a whole fix. But yeah, let me go. I'll talk to y'all whenever we get to the car wash, to a different car wash or wherever we're going. Y'all, I am sad. It just started raining. It's drizzling, so that means I'm not gonna be able to watch my car. Maybe it might stop. I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes. Y'all, I'm sorry for the way I look. I look a little bummy-ish, but y'all, it needs to stop raining so that I can vacuum out my car. My car is so dirty. And I had just made it to the car wash. The car wash that I came to, it accepts coins. So I have a lot of coins in my car. So I was gonna use the quarters that I had instead of the tokens and having to put $1 in the machine to get a token back. Since I already have coins in the car, I was just gonna go ahead and use these. But I don't know, it's raining. I need to change Judah, so I think I'm gonna get back there and change him and just be patient and see if it stops raining. If it starts pouring down, I'm just gonna leave, but oh my goodness, what a day. Okay, y'all, I'm in the back. I'm in the back of my car and I'm about to try to see if I can change Judah back here. Miss Deborah sent me this bag. If you watch my vlogs, thank you for sending me this. It came with a I think this is a changing pad thing, and it sets up somehow. I don't know what this is, y'all. But it was in the bag, the diaper bag that she got me. I think it's a changing table. Oh, this is cool. Okay, got some little chopsticks, 2 karate chops. Y'all don't mess with me. What is this? Oh, What's this? How you looking at me? Y'all, Judah's staring at me. You looking at me? He want me to take him out. I'm trying to figure this thing out, Judah. Wait a minute, okay? Okay? You gonna be patient? Patience is a virtue. It's like a little... What is this? I'll figure it out later. Hold up. Oh my gosh, I don't even have diapers. What in the world? How am I supposed to change you with no diapers, Jew? Oh my goodness. I thought I put some in this bag, but then I realized I transferred them over to the other bag. Y'all, what kind of mom am I? What in the world? Please be some diapers in here. Please let her. How I got wipes but no diapers? Please explain how I have wipes and no diapers. Judah, how? Look how he looking. How, Judah? How do I have wipes and no diapers? Can you explain that to me? What kind of... You think I'm a bad mom? Huh? Ju, what you think? Huh? What you think? What kind of mom you think I am? A good mama? Huh? What you think? What you think, Stinker? Huh? What? What you gotta say? Huh? You trying to tell me to just take you out of the car seat? What's that face for? Huh? Okay. Yo, he is not. Okay, okay, it stopped raining, so I'm gonna attempt to clean this car out. Judah, I'll promise to make it fast, okay? 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 Okay, y'all, so what I have with me, my water bottle. Why is that even important? I just wanted to show y'all my water bottle. I think I'm gonna put on some gloves. I have a whole bag of gloves because these things out here are super dirty. I doubt they ever just spray them down and clean them, so I'm gonna just put on gloves. This is my first time ever doing this. Safety precautions, just in case. I'm gonna speed this up because my little stink has literally stink in his diaper. He has done a stink in his diaper. And it smells bad over here. Like somebody is smoking. But yeah guys, I'm about to go ahead and montage. Let's go. Okay, so the reason I had to come to the car wash is because this vacuum, it wasn't doing any justice for me. I was trying to vacuum this car up, but it was like too weak. Like the air inside it, like the suction air thing, it's like weak and it doesn't pull enough. So it wasn't picking up dirt for me, and I was just like, you know what, off to the car wash we go. But yeah, that's only good for like around the house and small messes, not like cars and stuff. Y'all, this mess is not even working. Bro, what the mess? Okay. Let me try this one over here on the side and see if it works. What is going on? Judah smells really bad. Hopefully this one works. Oh man. All right. Made sure it didn't steal my coins. Let me see. Y'all, cross fingers. There you go, shake, shake. There you go. There you go. There you go, shake, go. There you go. Stink. No, here you go, Jill. There you go. There you go. There you go. Big boy. It worked. Okay, so now that that is done, off to get a little thingy to freshen up my car. I always get one of those after I clean my car out.
103X.
Okay guys, so I got this one, the peach one. Okay guys, so me and Judah made it back home and I'm just about to change his diaper because he is a little rotten. As you guys know, he's been in this rotten diaper for a little minute now. So yeah, it's definitely time to change him. Look at him. He happy to be home. He is happy. But yeah guys, this is gonna end out this vlog. Thank you guys for watching and I hope your day is amazing.